Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the textile cost system step by step tutorial. In our last class we discussed about the batch part. In this class I am going to discuss about the product part, right? How to register the product. So what I am going to do is here. First I am going to go to this is my project. Select the package, right click. I am going to go to select as JFrame form. Here this one should be the product. Click finish. Now here what I am going to do is here we have to design the one, right? So first I am going to go to put the label, go to the palette, drag one panel over here and put it this one. So this one I am going to select the border style, something like this. Inside here what I am going to do is here we have to drag one label over here. This label I am going to change the name as products. Select the label, right click, properties, font property, bold, 36. After that what I am going to do is I am going to drag the panel, right click, properties, border property, soft bevel border. So we have to drag the this one products, right? First label, product name, this one should be the product name. After that same label, control C, copy, control V. This one should be the batch number. After that price, after that quantity, after that quantity. Right? I just use a simple one, right? Quantity. Right. Now here first select all the label, or on the control key down and select all, right click, properties. Here we have to increase the font little bit with bold, 24, click OK. Right, perfect. 24 if you feel too much big, you have to decrease the size as 40. It's okay. Right. Now here we need a text box for each field. So here what I am going to do is here we have to load text box, right? So first one, so text field, here you have to drag the one text field here, product text field. After the same thing we have to drag the combo box over here, batch, we have to load the batch name, combo box. After that price, quantity. Right. Now here first what I am going to do is here, first select this one, product name, edit text, backspace to remove, select again, P name. Second one should be the batch number, so B number. This one should be the price, select this one, edit, backspace to remove, price, txt price. After that this one, txt quantity. Txt quantity. Right. Now what I am going to do is here we have need a button. We need a button. This button we have to name it as save. Right. This button we name it as save button. Right. The save button we have to write here. Okay. This is the thing we have to do here. Now first what I am going to do is here I am going to load the batch number, right? I have to load the batch numbers. Here this is the batch table. We have to load the batch number, which is a must, right? Okay, this is batch number, right? We have only one batch number here. Right. Now we imagine we have created another batch, right? So what I am going to do is here I am going to create another batch, run the file. this batch is created by this date. We have another batch, right? Imagine we have another batch, BC is equal to 2 months later, right? So 2 months later means we have created, just imagine, we have put it here September 23. We have created another batch right here. Okay, now if you load this again, the batch is created here, 7, right? We have a batch, right? This is a batch. This is a batch item. This is one shipping. The second ship should be this date, right? Okay, 2 months later we got the same ship, another shipment this date, right? So what I am going to do is, we have to load that one. But if the item is available, your old item, it asks previous batch your new batch, right? So here, what I am going to do is, here batch number, we have to load them, right? So how to load them here is, first right click properties, go here, model, we have to remove the default one, and go to the, again we have to go to the code. Here if it is type parameter, this one string, we have defaultly come as remove them, click OK. Okay, you must do the step, right? Then only it will be able to load. Okay, it's loaded because when you add the record, then instead of the name, ID should be added, so that we have to write like this. Okay, okay. When you load the item, item should be loaded. This following item. When you add that one, instead of the name, its ID should be added. Because why we make the ID as a foreign key? Because ID should be unique. That's why we make like this. Okay, that's an efficient way to store the record into the database. So you must keep the ID on the table. Okay, this is a foreign key, right? Now what I'm going to do is, we have to load them first. How to load them here is simply, we have to load them. We have to create the following one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We have to modify one, right? First we have to create a class like this, right? Yeah, just create a simple class. Public class, we have to make this one product item, right? This class is created here, close it here, right? Inside the class, we have defined 2 variables. One is an integer variable ID, another string variable name, right? This is a product ID, product name, right? Imagine, right? After that, we have created the parameterized constructor. So the same class, we have to create the parameters constructor, product item. We have 2 arguments, ID as a ID and name, right? Here we have to set the fields here, name, this ID, name, right here. We have set it here, right? This is the class level data. This is the parameterized data. We have set it here. After that, we have to return the string. We have string as return. Right? This is the stuff we have to do before we have to load the this one. Right? After that, we have to load the combo box. Control C to copy. We have to put it here. Before that, we have to call the connection also as well. Right? We connected the database, all the stuff in our last tutorial. We no need to connect again by again. We have to just copy and paste it. This all the stuff are there. Connection method, all the stuff are there. Control C to copy back here. You have to paste here, right? Paste it successfully. All the forms are same connection. Here we have to change it. This one, right? Load this one, product load. This one, batch load. So load batch, right? This one I wrote it here. This we no need this one. This all the stuff we put it here. So this connection property, this connection method, Control C to copy, paste inside the constructor here. When the form is loaded, this constructor get loaded, right? This one. What is the connection you are connected here? Your database reside on here, localhost, it will be connected, right? So here we have to write here, we have to this one, we have to put here, we have to later on task, we have to put it, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, this one should be the, right, here we have to add in the try catch, right, try catch, we have to add it here, right? It's asked, right? I just copy and paste it, you must write it, okay? All the code I have pasted here, you must write it, okay? Then only you will be able to understand easily, okay? Because I want to save the time. If I write all the codes by typing, it takes too much of time to complete the video. It's so boring for you all, so that I just copy and paste these codes. So here we have combo box. What is the name of the combo box you have to give? You have to write here, this is the name. B number, this is a combo box name, you have to give combo box. You have to paste it here. After that, here this is the B number combo box. Category item is this one, product item. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. What I did here is we create the method. This is no need one here. We create the method. Here we have to this one connection. This is connection prepare statement, right? Connection. Sorry, this is the prepare statement. PST prepare statement. This is the connection. This is a connection. This is a prepare statement. Here to put it here. Right. Now here what I am going to say, we have to load all the products, right? So sorry, no, not products, batch number. So let's go to back to my batch table. This is the column we have to load it, right? This is all the data we have to load it. So what I am going to do is here we have to put it here batch. Select the batch. So here we have to load, right? So here we have to write here. This one should be the second one. This is the second one. This is the first one, right? Okay, so you have to write this one should be the first one. This is ID. This is the this one. Which one? Batch name. This is a batch ID, batch name. So 1 mean ID, 2 mean batch number. So we have to load this both into this combo box, right? But when you view this one, only show the name only. When you add the record into the database, the name is not added. Instead of the name, ID should be added, right? That's the stuff we have to do. That's why this function does, right? So here we have this add item, so that we have to write like this. Okay, this product function, this one, this class does this one. We have to call the class, we have does like this. Okay, this is the thing we have to write here. Now the batch, load the batch, Control C to copy. You have to paste it here. When you run the one you have to test it, right click run file. You will be able to check here. Here the batch number is loaded successfully. Here it's loaded successfully. When you add the record, instead of the number, the ID should be added, right? If you feel it is very small, you must here you have to increase size. Now you will be able to check what happened. It will be adjust successfully here. Now it's working successfully here. It's working perfectly well, right? This all the stuff you have to adjust, right? So simple. Right. Now what I am going to do is here now what I am going to say, we have to connection all this successfully. We have to save the record. So here what I am going to do is here for the batch save. This is all the stuff you have to copy. This is the previous save, right? Batch save. Control C to copy back here. Double click the save button. You have to paste it over here. Now here first what I am going to do is here you have to write this ones, right? The product name, right? Control C to copy. This one Control V to paste here. Second. Now here what I am going to do is here B name, right? After that we have to second one should be the batch number. Batch number we have to put it here. This one the same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Here this is the class batch number class. We have to get it here. This one. Right here is product item. Control C to copy. V to paste here. B item. Okay. After that, what I am going to do is the B number. Batch number. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Batch number. This one we have to here. This one we have to Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Right. Now here third one should be the price. So the price. So we have to write here the same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. This one should be the price. Will be the price. Control C to copy the price. The price txt price. This one should be the price. First one should be the product name, P name, P item, sorry, batch item, B item. Third one should be the price. This one should be the quantity. So quantity also we have to write Control C to copy quantity. Because I am not calculate anything else, so that you have to store as string. It's no problem, right? If you feel to put it integer, it's also perfect, right? If you have calculated, you must make it as an integer. Yeah, I am not going to calculate anything else, so that I have put it as string, right? So here this one should be the P name. P name, what's the name here? I give product name. Control C to P name, right? Why it's a problem happen? Right here, the problem is here, product name. You can't put the same name here, right? Okay, right. That's the time. Now here what I'm going to say, here the table name is product. Product table consists of these following columns. So here we have to create the product table. So click new. So here what is how many table we need? First we have to specify the table. 1, 2, 3, 4 table, including the ID. So here we need a 5 columns. So here we have to select this one, 5 columns. This one should be the product table. Product table, go. First one should be the ID. ID is a product ID. This one is the primary auto number generated. Second one should be the P name, product name, varchar, batch number, B number, price, this is quantity, price. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Click save. Right, now here first let's back here. Now here we have to write here products. Here write P name, B number, quantity, price. Right. Now here first what I am going to do is here first you have to write the P name, product name. So here you have to write product name, this one. Control C to copy, Control V. Second one should be this one, batch number. So batch number, Control C to copy here, this paste it here, batch number. Which one you have to store here, batch number. Okay, if you have put it here, it has two things, name and ID. Instead of the name, I am going to put the ID. We store it here. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, here we have to put it here, this one as a int. If it is ID, means int. Okay. After that, we have to write this two stuff. This Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the price, 3. Fourth one should be the quantity. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This is the quantity. This is the thing we have to do. Right? Here, this is the things we have to do. Right. Now, if all the things are correct, we have to execute this one. Product added. Product added. This is the thing we have to write. Okay? Product fail. Right. That's stuff we have to do. Now let's check. Right? Right. We have to do this one, we have to change the user interface. So Control F, sorry, the source, select this one here, Control F. Here we have to write UI. We have to with this one, we have to change it as meta. Now let's run and check what happens. If we make this design. This is the actual look of the screen, right? This is the actual look, right? Here, it's the actual look of Java, right? Product name we have to write here is kit t-shirt, kit t-shirt, 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 kit t-shirt. Batch number, first batch number, we have to add this one. Price, this one, quantity 100,000 quantity. We have, okay, 100 quantity enough. Click save. Product added. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Back here. Here it's working perfectly well. Instead of the batch number, if you selected here this one, instead of the batch number, batch ID, the ID should be added. Right? This is how we have to do the stuff. Right? Very simple one. I hope you guys you understood the things well. In my next tutorial, I will be continuing the rest of the part. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like.